basically today it's a drama workshop up in St Vincent's where we've taken 3 second-year classes. We're kind of showing the basics of a drama workshop. You'll have the over-talkers, the ones that are all the Jack the lads kind of thing, and then you'll have your quieter lads who are more kind of, they'll sit at the back and they'll say nothing and they won't raise their hand, and it's basically a way of getting them out of their shell and kind of getting everybody on par.
I thought the workshop was going to be boring, but it ended up being good, working with the people that I never worked with in the classroom. We made a script, we played games, you had to act those things and all for the teacher, but that was basically it, and I thought it was good.
Today we acted like it's just something new. We got to meet new people. It was good fun. Meeting new people that you never done it with before. You might not be your friends, you put it in groups, you don't get to decide, so that's good.
I enjoyed it because we get to do new things and not sit in the classroom. And we performed scripts, and it was something new that we never did before. And it was very enjoyable. It was something new. You get go into different groups, and yeah, very good.